Number 13. First thing we need with number 13, when we add or subtract fractions, we always need a common denominator. So I'm going to write out what the least common denominator here. The least common denominator, since those denominators really don't have anything in common other than the k, but it's part of a term, the least common denominator is k plus 6 times k minus 6. So I need to multiply top and bottom here by k plus 6, and top and bottom here by k minus 6. So 4 times k minus 6 minus 3 times k plus 6. I'm going to kind of do two things in one step here and write it all over the common denominator. Okay, the next step, I'm going to distribute the 4k minus 24, then distribute the negative 3 minus 3k minus 18. I'm going to leave the denominator factored. Combine like terms on top, 4k minus 3k is k. Negative 24 minus 18 is minus 42, all over k plus 6 times k minus 6. Okay, not too bad. Number 14. First thing I'm going to do is reduce if we can. So I see those 2's we can just cross right off. So we really have n. I'm going to write that n over 1 plus 6n over 3n minus 4. So the common denominator here, the LCD, is just 3n minus 4. So I'm going to multiply top and bottom here by 3n minus 4. So we're left with n times 3n minus 4 plus 6n all over 3n minus 4. Okay, I'm going to distribute that n, 3n to the second minus 4n plus 6n over 3n minus 4. Combine like terms, 3n squared plus 2n over 3n minus 4. Yes, we can factor the top a little bit. We can take an n out. So if we take an n out, we're left with n times 3n plus 2. That doesn't reduce with anything on the bottom, the 3n minus 4. So since it's not going to further our plan here, I'm just going to call that the final answer. Number 15. When we multiply or divide fractions, we don't need a common denominator. We just need to factor as much as we can and reduce. So p squared minus p minus 72. We're looking for two factors of negative 72 that add up to a negative 1. So it's going to be p minus 9 and p plus 8. So over 8 times 8 over. Now two factors of a positive 48 that add up to 14. How about plus 6 and plus 8? Now the 8's cross off. Only whole terms can cross off here, so that p plus 8 is gone. And we're left with p minus 9 over p plus 6. And I know some of you are tempted to cross off those p's, and we can't because those p's are parts of terms. 16. This is not good. We really can't divide fractions. So what we're going to do, we're going to change that into a multiplication sign and flip the fraction on the right. So this is 18v minus 27, I'll factor that in a second, over 7 times v plus 9 over 18v minus 27. And you know what? I'm not even going to factor it because those are terms that can just cross off right off the bat. So our final answer, v plus 9 over 7. Nice and easy.